Hi students, how are you? I hope you all fine and safe. Students, in this video, I am going to explain next lesson, new lesson in history 2. Okay, from trade to territory. Okay, students, in history first lesson, we saw about the advent of Europeans, isn't it, students? Yes, the Europeans came to India and they started their trading activities in India. They settled in India, isn't it, students? Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the trading relationship slowly turn into political establishment. Okay, so from trade to territory. From trade means you know that buying and selling of the goods. In Tamil, vanigam. Territory means nilapagudi. Okay, so in English, an area of land that belongs to one country. So trade மூலிமா கொஞ்சமான இடத்த வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, the British captured. Okay, so this lesson deals with the political establishment. Listen. Learning objectives. In this lesson, in this video, I'm going to explain about introduction, establishment of political power by the English East India Company, Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar. Listen students, introduction. Okay, in 15th century, the Europeans came to India. Okay, in 1498, Vasco da Gama of Portugal discovered a new sea route from Europe to India. Okay, so the first in 1498, the Vasco da Gama only discovered the new sea route for the Europe to India for the trade. Okay, the main motive behind those discoveries was to maximize profit through trade and to establish political supremacy. They came only for the trade, but slowly they settled down in India and they started their political power in India. Okay, the main interest of company in India was territorial and commercial expansions. ஸோ இந்த மெயினாக இந்த ஈஸ்ட் இந்தியா கம்பெனியோட நோக்கம், பிரிட்டிஷோட நோக்கம் அப்படி என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, நம்ம இந்தியா நாட்டில் இருக்கிற பல இடங்களை என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, தே கேப்சரிங். ஓகே, பல இடத்த வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா கேப்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க ஃபார் கேப்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்களோட ஈஸ்ட் இந்தியா கம்பெனியை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, விரிவுபடுத்த ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க. ஒரு இடத்துலையும் கம்பெனியை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க இந்தியாவில். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மெயின் எய்ம் ஃபார் த பிரிட்டிஷ். Okay, they started the they want to start the political power in India. Okay, for that that is called from trade to territory. Okay, trade மூலிமா உள்ள வராங்க. For the trade they coming inside and they coming for the they came to India and they settled in India and slowly they capturing many places and they started their political power in India. Okay, the next. So the next is establishment of political power by English East India Company. ஓகே, ஸோ பொலிட்டிக்கல் பவர் வந்து எப்படி இங்கிலீஷ் ஈஸ்ட் இந்தியா கம்பெனி மூலயமா தே ஸ்ப்ரெட் இன் இந்தியா அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். லிசன். ஸோ இது என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் பர்சன். ஸோ இது வந்து ஒரு போர் நடக்குது, பேட்டில் நடக்குது. அந்த பேட்டிலுக்கோட பேர் என்னென்னா பேட்டில் ஆஃப் பிளாசி. ஓகே, பேட்டில்னா வாரு, பிளாசினா நேம் ஆஃப் த பிளேஸ், இடத்தோட பேர், போர் நடக்கிற இடத்தோட பேர். அந்த இடத்துக்கு பேர் தான் அந்த 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 இடத்துல அந்த போர் நடந்ததுனால தான் தே கெட்டிங் த நேம் பேட்டில் ஆஃப் பிளாசி. ஓகே, ஸோ that the important person who are involved in the Battle of Plassey means Alivardi Khan, Siraj-ud-Dawla, Robert Clive. These are the person involved in the Battle of Plassey. Okay, so the Battle of Plassey, it started in the year 1757. Okay, so this main aim is to the British. After this battle, the British started to spread their political power in India. Okay, Students, listen. Next, I'm going to explain about Battle of Plassey. Okay, so battle means you know that war. Plassey means is the name of the place. Okay, listen. The Battle of Plassey in 1757. Alivardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756. So Alivardi Khan is the Nawab. Nawab means king. King of Bengal. He was died in 1756. After his death, his grandson Siraj ud Dowla ascended the throne of Bengal. He became the king of Bengal. Okay, but already British settlement in Bengal, British taking advantage of new Nawabs. Okay, so for that, the British taking advantage of new Nawabs, the Siraj decided to teach them lesson by attacking over their political settlement in Calcutta. Okay, so Siraj decided to teach them. The British thinking that Siraj-ud-Dowla he won't rule the country properly. We can spread our political power in the country like that. The British thinking thought in the mind, but Siraj he came to know everything. Okay, so Siraj-ud-Dowla decided to teach them the lesson by attacking over the political settlement in Calcutta. Okay, ஸோ பிரிட்டிஷோட பொலிட்டிக்கல் செட்டில்மெண்ட் கல்கட்டாவில் இருக்கிற செட்டில்மெண்ட் எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா கேப்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க. யார் கேப்சர் பண்ணுறா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நவாப். ஓகே, ஸோ the British they plan to decide something. Nawab captured the British factory at Kazim Bazar in 20th June 1756. Next, he captured William Fort, but Robert Clive required the Calcutta. On 9th February 1757, the Treaty of Alinagar was signed by Siraj-ud-Dowla and Robert Clive. British captured the Chandranagagiri. The Chandranagagiri is the settlement of French settlement. The battle took place between British and Nawab in Plassey. So only it's called as the Battle of Plassey. The English East India Company under the control of Robert Clive. Robert Clive defeated the Siraj-ud-Dowla. After the battle, English gained a huge amount of wealth. This amount was used to strengthen its military force. It was most decisive battle of British. Okay, then British rule in India for the next 2 centuries. 2 century means nothing but 200 years. The next 200 years who ruled in India means it's a British. Okay, so it was most decisive battle for British. After this Battle of Plassey only, the British permanently settled in India. Okay, students, the Battle of Plassey was the company first victory on Indian soil. Okay, first Indian soil நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா கம்பெனியை கேப்சர் பண்ணுறது தான் விக்ட்ரி. ஓகே, ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ் go through the book paragraph. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So students, I hope that you all understood about the Battle of Plassey, isn't it? Okay students, thank you.